Okay, so we're down to the fifth formula, which is the derivative for the arc of secant u, or arc secant u. So, that is equals to 1 all over u times the square root of u squared minus 1 times the derivative of u with respect to x. And for you to be clear, so let's give an example. So given that y is equal to the arc secant of 4x cubed, let's find the dy over dx. Okay, so u is equals to 4x cubed, and the du is equals to 3 times 4x. Since the p bumaba, bawasan mo ng isa, that is equals to 12x squared. Okay? So, derivative of arc secant u is equals to 1 all over u square root of u squared minus 1 times du dx. Meron na tayong u, meron na tayong du. So, i-substitute lang natin ngayon. So, that is equals to 1, u is 4x cubed times the square root of 4x cubed squared, kasi u squared, minus 1, du is 12x squared. Okay? And if you will observe, may makakancel tayo kasi 12x squared divided by 4x cubed. So, 12 divided by 4 is 3. X squared divided by x cubed. Tanggal na si x squared. X raised to 1 na lang ang meron tayo. So, ang matitira na lang is 3 all over square root of 4x cubed na naka-squared, that is 16 x raised to 6 minus 1. And that is our final answer. So, by the way, if you have comments, suggestions, and requests, just comment down. Okay? So, copy your notes. Okay, so what if this is the example? Arc secant of u cubed, given that u is equals to x, find y prime of 2. So, may chain rule na tayo, meron pa tayong evaluating the derivative. So, madali to kasi yun na to. U is equals to x, du is equals to 1. Okay? So, the derivative of arc of secant u is equals to 1 all over u square root of u squared minus 1 times du over dx. Okay? So, substitute ko lang, that is 1. U is x. U squared. I'm sorry, this is just u. U squared. What is u squared? So that is x squared minus 1 times du dx, which is 1. So that is equals to 1 over x times square root of x squared minus 1. So since y prime is equals to 1 all over x square root of x squared minus 1, what is y prime of 2? So, again, lahat ng 2, lahat ng x, papalitan ko lang ng 2. So, that is 1 over 2 square root of 2 squared minus 1. So, that is equals to, kung pipindutin natin sa calcu, that is square root of 3 over 6. Okay? And that is how we're going to solve this. Again, tinaltan ko yung example, nagkamali ako ng sulat kanina Kasi u cube. U lang pala yan. Okay? So, copy your notes. Okay? So, we're down to the last formula. This time, it is for the arc cosecant of u. Arc cosecant of u is equals to negative 1 all over u square root of u squared minus 1 times du dx. As you can see, negative lang siya ng derivative ng arc of secant u. Okay? So, what if, yun ito yung example na binigay sa atin. Y is equals to arc of cosecant squared, x squared, all over x squared. So, kamukha lang ng mga examples natin kanina. You have u, you have v. At ang dy over dx natin ay equals lamang po sa v du minus u dv all over v squared. So, you need to find du, dv, and v squared. So, since u is equals to arc cosecant of x, x squared. So, let's find du. Du is equals to negative 1. Tingin doon. U is x squared times square root of u squared, that is x squared na i-square mo pa, minus 1, times du dx. What is the derivative of x squared? That is 2x. Okay? Makakancel yung isang x doon. So, du is negative 2x square root of x raised to 4 minus 1. And then, my v is x squared. dv is 2x squared ko to, makukuha ko na ang v squared ay x raised to 4. Okay? Then, ito na. So, dy over dx is equals to v, which is x squared, du, which is negative 2, all over x square root of x raised to 4 minus 1, minus u, which is arc cosecant of x squared, du, which is 2x, all over v squared, which is x raised to 4. Okay? So, simplify ko lang to. Makakancel yung isang x. So, that is negative 2x all over square root of x raised to 4 minus 1. Minus 2x arc of cosecant of x squared. All multiply by 1 over x raised to 4. So, para mas convenient at mas madaling isulat po. Parehas lang naman yun. So, pag sinimplify ko yan, that's negative 2x minus 2x square root of x raised to 4 minus 1 times arc of cosecant x squared all over square root of x raised to 4 minus 1. Huwag mo kalimutan, x raised to 4. Okay? Nakakasunod? Tapos, kung makikita mo, may common factor sila. At kung ipa-factor out ko, may makakancel pa sa baba. So, that's negative 2x quantity 1 plus square root of x raised to 4 minus 1 times the arc of cosecant x squared all over x raised to 4 times x raised to 4 minus 1 na naka-square root. Cancel, cancel. Ang matitira na lang ay x cubed at ang magiging final answer mo ay negative 2, 1 plus square root of x raised to 4 minus 1 times the arc cosecant x squared times x cubed all over x cubed times square root of x raised to 4 minus 1. And this will be your final answer. Okay? Nasundan ba? Okay, so copy your notes. Okay, so we're down to the last example, which is the easiest. Given that y is equals to r cosecant of x squared, find of y prime. So, formula lang. Recall natin kung alam pa ba natin. So, u is equals to x squared. du is equals to 2x. So, derivative of arc cosecant of u is equals to negative 1 all over u square root of u squared minus 1 times du over dx. Okay? So, negative 1 all over u, which is x squared, square root of u squared. So, i-square mo pa to. U squared is equals to x raised to 4 minus 1. Du dx is 2x. So, may maka-cancel at magiging final answer mo ay negative 2 all over x times square root of x raised to 4 minus 1. It is as easy as that. Okay? So, it is an important thing that you know the formula or else you will not be able to answer the problem. So, yun lang. So, copy your notes. So let's have a recap of the formulas which we have used. So for the arc sine of u, you have 1 all over square root of 1 minus u squared times du over dx. For the cosine, kopyahin mo lamang yung kay sine, kay arc sine, at i-negate mo or i-negative mo. Okay? Next, with arc tangent, that is 1 all over 1 plus u squared times du over dx. Para kay cotangent, kopyahin mo lang yung kay tangent at in-negative mo. Okay? Diba madali lang? Pagdating kay arcsec, that is 1 all over u times square root of u squared minus 1 times du over dx. Ulit lang ulit tayo. Kopyahin mo para kay arc cosecant, kopyahin mo yung kay secant at i-negate mo. So as you can see, ang kailangan mo lang ng mga kabisaduhan ay si sine, si tangent, at si secant. Para makuha ang kay cosine, cotangent, cosecant, kailangan mo lang i-negative yung sa mga co-function nila. Ano ba pag sinabing co-function? Sine, cosine, co-function ng sine. Tangent, cotangent. Secant, cosecant. Okay? So, hindi kayo masyadong mahihirapan dito. So, again, this is a differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. I hope meron kayong natutunan. So, comment down para sa suggestion, requests, and topics na gusto nyo ipa-discuss. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay? So, bye!